Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Appomattox Wreath knot. So for those history buffs, you know that Appomattox is the place where the Civil War ended, where the peace treaty was signed. I'm a history buff as well. But so I just thought Appomattox, I've already done the Appomattox knot, but Appomattox Wreath knot would be great. This really has nothing to do with that battle per se, or that historical event. I just think it'd be cool to name it Appomattox Wreath. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be the left side. It's going to be at the belt line. I'm going to put a dimple in. We're going to bring this over to the center and bring it around like so, and then bring it up and over like this. I'm going to bring this back through here. And then I'm going to make sure that there's a point up here at the top. And then come back around and then up and through. This is a move that Boris Mocha has used a lot to kind of create that diamond look. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a wreath. I'm going to do a wreath right here. And we're going to do a wreath right here. So we have this. Then I'm going to come across the bottom like this, fold it down, and then come up like so. And then there you have the Appomattox Wreath. Catchy name to it. Those that appreciate history will love this one. Those that appreciate knots will love this one. And there you have it. You want to see the picture of it, go to Instagram, Simmonsessentials. Oh no, stop, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.